let me ask you something. Have you ever caught yourself daydreaming about crushing a big goal, and then just snapped back to reality thinking, nah, that's probably not gonna happen? Yeah, I've been there. But what if I told you that daydreaming, if you do it right, can actually help you make those dreams real? Today, I want to talk about the power of visualization. And no, this isn't some mystical, think it and it'll appear kind of thing. This is legit, real-world, science-backed stuff that top athletes, business leaders, and creators use every single day to level up. Visualization is basically a mental rehearsal. Imagine yourself nailing that job interview, giving that killer presentation, or launching your side hustle. The trick is to picture it in crazy detail. Like, what does the room smell like? What are you wearing? How do you feel when you pull it off? The more senses you bring in, the better. Here's the wild part. Your brain doesn't really know the difference between you actually doing something and you just imagining it. When you visualize, you're firing up the same neural pathways you'd use if you were really doing the thing. That's why athletes run through their routines in their heads before the big game. It's like a cheat code for confidence and skill. Let me tell you a quick story. Back when I was prepping for my first big work presentation, I was freaking out. So every night for a week, I'd close my eyes and see myself walking into that boardroom, feeling calm, making my points, answering questions like a pro. By the time the real day came, it felt like deja vu. My nerves? Still there, but way less. I knew what to do because, crazy as it sounds, I'd already done it a dozen times in my mind. Here's how you can start. Pick something you want. Picture it in detail. Feel the nerves, hear the applause, see the result. Do it every day for a week, even just a couple minutes. And then, take action. Visualization isn't magic unless you pair it with work, but it primes your mind to spot chances, stay motivated, and bounce back when things get tough. So next time you catch yourself daydreaming, don't snap out of it. Lean in, see the win, believe it, and then make it happen. That's the power of visualization, and trust me, it's way more than just wishful thinking. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you're manifesting next. Go visualize that success. You got this.